Take a look at this. On the left, a so-called organic egg from the supermarket. On the right, an egg I collected from my backyard this morning. Do you see the difference? The store egg is pale yellow and runny. My egg, it's a deep, rich orange and stands up tall. That color isn't just for show. It means more vitamins, more omega-3s, and way more flavor. Today, I'm going to tell you why store-bought eggs are lying to you and why raising your own flock is the best health decision you'll ever make. I used to pay $8 a dozen for premium eggs at the store, thinking I was feeding my family the best. But I kept hearing stories about how free-range chickens are often still crammed in barns. And honestly, the taste was just okay. I wanted real food. I wanted to know exactly what was going into the animals that feed my children. But I was hesitant. Chickens? In my backyard? I thought they would be smelly, noisy, and hard to take care of. I didn't know the first thing about breeds or feed. Then I grabbed a guide on raising chickens for organic eggs. It demystified everything. I learned that chickens are actually easier to keep than a dog. They put themselves to bed at night, they eat your kitchen scraps, so less waste, and they give you breakfast in return. The guide helped me pick the right breeds, like Rhode Island Reds and Buff Orpingtons, that are friendly and lay tons of eggs. It showed me that with a simple routine, you can have a clean, odor-free coop that fits perfectly in a normal backyard. Now, we have 4 ladies in our backyard. My kids love them. They're like pets with benefits. But the real reward is in the kitchen. When I bake a cake with these eggs, it's fluffier. When we have scrambled eggs, they are creamy and rich. Plus, their manure is gold for my garden. It's a full circle of health. We're healthier, happier, and more connected to our food. You don't need a farm to have fresh eggs. You just need a little patch of grass and the right knowledge. I've linked the beginner's guide I used in the description below. It covers everything from baby chicks to your first egg. Click the link and start your own backyard flock. Once you taste a real egg, you'll never go back to the store. Trust me.